Yes. Hey, 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 welcome back. I know, three videos today. And yeah, now let's do minimum multiplication to reach the end. And again, this is, I think, the hardest thing to this problem is understanding that this is a kind of graph problem. And yeah, the question is again pretty straightforward. So you'll be given a start value and an end value and an array. And you have to tell if you can reach the end value by the start value from multiplying the start value with any number of the given array. Yeah, I know. And yeah, the other caveat is that there is a mod operation like each value after you multiply 3 by 2, you have to mod it by the value given, which is units 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. Yeah, we have to mod it by 100,000 or 1 lakh and then add it to the array. And that tripping up for real bad. Yeah, again, if you understand this is a graph problem, especially a BFS problem, this becomes really easy. So what we will do? First, we will check if start is equal to n. That means that there's nothing for us to do. We will just return 0. Or else, we will to our queue we will add the start value, and then for each value in the queue, what we will do? We'll pop out the value, and then multiply it with the array value, all the array values, and then check if that array value becomes equal to our end value. That means we have reached our solution. Or else what we will do? To our queue, we will append that array value. Yeah, it's actually that simple. So what we have to do? It's like really, really simple. I think it's borderline basic level. But yeah, again, the hardest part in this question is that it is a you have to identify a graph problem. So if that means that just return 0. Or else what we will do? We will import q. So what we will do? To our q, we will add our start, and actually we are instead 0. Yeah, we are at 0 steps. So what we will do? While q exists, we will have a visited also. We obviously don't want to keep on adding, like checking the values. If we have already checked for it once, it will lead to very high time complexity. So what we'll do is we'll just have a visited set, and as soon as we check a value, we'll add it in visited. And again, for the next time when you are checking, if that value, if we actually reach visited, that means that that value is actually checked. So there is no need for us to actually specifically go and check it again. So that is the main reason we're having visited set. So what we'll do? Yeah, if you do this, you are absolutely wrong. So because you have a steps also, the number of steps you have taken, and what you will do. So for multiplier in ERR, what you do? Is it ERR? Yeah, it's ERR. So what you do? The value is actually the num multiplied by the multiplier, and after that you mod it by the value given. Yeah, and if this value becomes equals to our end value, that means you have obviously reached it. And again, since we are actually doing one extra step over here, we have to steps plus one, and then you have to return it. But if the value exists in the visited, that means that yeah, actually the unit for student. If the value is not in visited, so what we'll do? VISITD, and then yeah, this would work actually. Again, it's not Q, it is DQ. And yeah, it's working. Let's just submit it. And yeah, it works. As you see, all the cases for test cases first, and Yeah, at first what I thought was that if the value becomes greater than end, that means we can directly, yeah, I thought you could do that. But the issue with this is that as since you're actually modding the value, what will happen is that it will lead to inconsistencies, I think. Will it work? Yeah, it will not work because it will lead to inconsistencies. The value, since the value is getting modded, the bigger value will always be made smaller, and yeah, that will lead to very big inconsistencies. That's why we're actually using Veritas. At first, I thought it would work, but it does not work, and I was shocked to find it out. And I got stuck over there, thinking, why does this not work? I have written the entire code properly, and as soon as I removed this part and checked, it worked. Yeah. So sometimes adding extra guard clauses might cause you to fail, so be careful of that. Yeah, that's all for it now. Thank you for watching, and let's go. Run more DSA and bye bye. I know you can do it. I believe in you.